Your favorite nomad, sun made me fluent in patience. Hunger gave me imagination. Empty hands, heavy expectations. Nomad brain never stagnant. If it dries up, we rewrote planets. Home ain't bricks, it's habits. Mind on wheels, we adapt it. Mama said, boy, think clever. So I learned how to joke with pressure. Smile wide, but the message sever. Soft tone, hard truth, say it better. Could've wore suits, chased titles. Family stacked with books and rivals. But I chose rhythm, roads and riddles. Teach the world through survival. From sand to screens, we elevate. Every setback, recalibrate. They counted us out, now they calculate how we made it, move with no template. Big white building, whisper my people's name. Funny how the smallest crowd still shake the stage. 0.0 something, barely on the page. Still got giants looking nervous when we navigate. Hey Elon, why aim low unless the climb looks scary? Why we count us unless the numbers vary? We don't break odds, we make new weather. Settle anywhere, sand streets or servers. They say it's pressure, I say it's proof. You don't aim this high unless it's true. From tent side lessons to lecture rooms, only winners draw circles like that too.
Pressure don't bend us, it levels us. From Gallon with the warriors to Somali land poets. From Puntland roads to Jubal and sunsets. Bay and Bako flavors. From Djibouti beauty to Garris Alliance. From Katuma riders to Hammer dealers. From Jiggy got to Minnesota, all up through heat to flex and stamina. Motion raised us. That's Somalia.
No pity talk, no sad stories. Blue skies only, new trajectory. From coastlines out to territories. Built by motion, built for glory. Don't just survive, that's smooth thinking. We adapt, we compound, the future's linking. From dust to data, same old story. Motion raised us, built for glory. We thrive anyway.